Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are thrilled to unlock the secrets to living a healthy lifestyle. Maintaining good health is essential for a fulfilling life, and we're here to provide you with valuable insights and tips. Our expert team has diligently researched and compiled information to help you on your wellness journey. Discover effective ways to improve your physical and mental well-being, boost energy levels, and develop positive habits for a balanced lifestyle. In this video, we'll delve into various aspects of health, including nutrition, exercise, stress management, and self-care. We'll explore the benefits of adopting a wholesome diet filled with nourishing foods that fuel your body and promote vitality. Moreover, we'll delve into exercise routines that are both enjoyable and effective. Whether you're into yoga, cardio, or strength training, we'll guide you on finding the perfect fitness routine to suit your needs and reach your goals. Additionally, we understand the importance of mental health to achieve overall wellness. We'll provide useful techniques to reduce stress, enhance mindfulness, and cultivate a positive mindset. Join us on this exciting journey towards embracing a healthy lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on future videos dedicated to your well-being. Remember, prioritizing your health is the first step towards a happier and more fulfilling life. Here are some key principles to consider. 1. Balanced diet. Eat a variety of nutrient-rich foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Control portion sizes to maintain a healthy weight. Stay hydrated by drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day. 2. Regular exercise. Engage in regular physical activity, including both aerobic exercises like walking, running, or swimming, and strength training. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, as recommended by health authorities. 3. Adequate sleep. Ensure you get 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule and create a conducive sleep environment. 4. Stress management. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Identify sources of stress and work on managing or eliminating them. 5. Social connection. Cultivate and maintain healthy relationships with friends and family. Engage in social activities and community involvement to promote a sense of belonging. 6. Avoid harmful habits. Quit smoking and limit alcohol consumption. Avoid excessive consumption of processed foods, sugary beverages, and other unhealthy habits.